from Floral Menagerie. Welcome to my studio in Kilmacombe. Before we start, I'd like to show you an example of the style of wreath that we are going to create at home today. Just bring this one down, you can have a little look. So something along these lines, that's what we're aiming for.